Hello everyone, today I have something to share with all of you, which is this coffee maker here. It's called Bialetti Brikka. This is a coffee maker that is really affordable in less than $200. I got this very classic looking coffee maker with a luggage. And this luggage looks very cool. It comes in two colors, green and yellow. Once I open this up, see how big the space is. Well, because when I bought this, it came with 4 free gifts, which is a coffee scoop that doubles up as a clip, and this coffee powder. This is a milk frothing machine. This is a free gift, so I didn't expect it to be really fancy, no. So this is something that is for you to froth your milk. It's battery powered, and I also got this as a free gift. This is for people who are not familiar, for those beginners. After you add your water, now I'll just explain this slightly. When you add your water, make sure your water mark doesn't go above this valve. This is the valve to draw the air in. So once you add your water up, and then you put this first, this funnel here. This is for you to you scoop your coffee and you put it here. Drop. And you put it here. Make sure it covered. For people who are not familiar with adding coffee powder, so what they do is they use this thing, which avoid causing a mess to your kitchen counter. So you put this on, and then you see how nice and neat this is. So your coffee powder wouldn't spill out. So this is also a free gift. Really good. What I love about Taobao is they always give out cool free gifts whenever you make purchases that's more than maybe $50. And then once you have put your coffee there, and then you just turn this clockwise, and then once it's locked, you can put it over your gas stove and it will start boiling. You boil the coffee. Once the coffee is boiled, you will see that there are 2 holes here, 1 hole here and 1 hole on the other side. So this vertical thing here draws coffee up. It draws coffee up, and then the coffee will start flowing from these 2 holes. It's really great because they have this window here for you to peek through to see whether your coffee is ready. And this is an updated version from the classic version. The classic version doesn't come with a window, and the classic version only has 1 valve. This version though, it has 2 valves and it has a window. Why 2 valves? Is supposed to make the coffee more aromatic, creamier, and it gives you a more intense experience of the coffee that you are making. So it's really perfect for espresso and for doppio and for coffee lovers like me. I bought 2 items separately, which is this to store those coffee beans. This is my first time opening it up. Let's see. Oh, there's actually a plastic cover to stop your coffee beans from being oxidized. You put your coffee beans in, and then you actually close this with this plastic cover to act as a double protection, and then you close it. See how neat this is? And I got this separately as well. This is a coffee grinding machine that comes with a handle. You can actually put your coffee beans in for people who like a bit of procedures. Yeah, and then you put your handle, the handle here, to turn around spin, spin, spin. Once you are done, the grinded coffee beans is here, and then you pour it into the funnel that I showed you earlier. So it's really neat and tidy. What's great about this is Bialetti, they are really considerate. They have thought it all through. They gave me this, see there's this logo here from Bialetti. This brush here is for me to brush to clean the coffee grinding machine. And oh, I also got this separately. This is a jug for frothing my milk. If I feel like I want to have flat white or cappuccino. And that's about it. If you love coffee like me too, say hi to me, comment, and subscribe. See you guys. Ciao. Bye bye.